Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INVA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I have never done this one before, so it's always fun to check out a new chart. I actually had some people bring this up to my attention over the weekend, and what I told them was just, got to look for volume follow through after this day here, and sure enough, if this isn't volume follow through, I don't know what is. So want to get things updated here from the chart perspective, and I can tell there's more people starting to check it out given the amount of requests and so forth I've gotten on it. So just want to, like I said, map things out from the technical perspective, and that way everybody's got an idea of what's going on from the support and resistance viewpoint on things. So the big thing that happened actually yesterday was on Monday, the close above this purple line here, which is a 50-day simple moving average, and that's a very important indicator within the world of charting. So this is now a key level of support, and in fact, great example of a resistance turning into a support. You can see broke above it yesterday, which turned this into a support, and then the price bounced right off of it this morning before bouncing much higher. So on that note, 0032 is one of those ideal and important levels of support that you want to see continue to hold. Another level of support that was put in today was right here. This level is at 005, 0049, whatever you want to call it. And that was a previous level of resistance. You can see here, knocked down the price a few times, but now that the price is above it, has turned it back into a support. And to be honest, not really sure if this is a resistance or support still. Can't really tell. So this is actually still technically level of resistance, because as you can see, the price closed barely below it, and that level is at 0065. Yeah, it closed at 0064. So I'm going to leave this line skinny red, because while it is a level of resistance, another nice volume surge, I don't foresee this putting up much of a fight at all. And it was broken intraday, but because we care about where the close was on the daily chart, it is still a level of resistance. And then the other level of resistance comes from these two highs over here, and that is at 002 or 0072, and the high was actually at 0072. So a great example of a chart forecasting where that resistance is going to be. I'm going to leave these lines both skinny, and we'll just call this a resistance zone up here between 0064 and 0072. So this is the current resistance zone, and then after this, lots of potential, and I would probably feel comfortable calling this a blue sky or mini blue sky breakout, because the next level of resistance with a break of this is not until this yellow line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average, and that is valued up there at 1 penny 0.01. So get through this resistance zone, and although this may not look like a long way space-wise, if we're looking at things from a percentage standpoint, those percentages add up very quick. So, I personally would call this a mini blue sky breakout if you can break through this resistance zone down here. But overall, great looking chart, and as long as these supports start holding, then the chart will start to build an uptrend, and that is what it's all about. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, as you'll see, you will get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use them in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click down here and look at our video course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. Been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and make an investment into your education as a trader. One more time, this was INVA. Thanks for listening.